If you have diabetes, you need breakfast foods that stabilize your blood sugar instead of sending it on a roller coaster ride. Oatmeal can be one of your best options when you prepare it the right way. The secret lies in a special type of fiber called beta-glucan found naturally in oats. This soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a thick gel in your digestive system. That gel slows down how quickly carbohydrates break down into sugar and enter your bloodstream. Instead of a sharp spike, your blood sugar rises slowly and stays more stable throughout the morning. Studies show that eating oatmeal regularly can improve your body's response to insulin over time. But here is the critical part that most people miss. Portion control still matters tremendously. Half a cup of dry oats contains about 27 grams of carbohydrates that will affect your blood sugar. You must avoid instant oatmeal packets loaded with added sugars and artificial ingredients. Choose steel-cut oats or old-fashioned rolled oats without any added sweeteners. Add cinnamon for natural sweetness and extra blood sugar benefits without any carbs. Pair your oatmeal with protein like nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt to slow digestion even more. This combination keeps you full longer and prevents the mid-morning crash. Oatmeal helps with diabetes only when you eat it mindfully as part of a balanced meal plan.